I've got a Temu haul for you today that is going to save you up to 90% off. We've got some amazing lightning deals and some bonus free gifts. All right, you guys, now before we jump into the haul, I want to take a couple of minutes to show you one of my favorite ways to save money when shopping on Temu. Now, I've heard from a lot of people. They have mixed experiences with Temu, and honestly, I think a lot of it comes down to how you shop. So Temu is a huge marketplace with millions of products. So knowing how to find the good stuff is going to really make all of the difference in the world. Now, when I am shopping, I don't just buy the first thing that I see. I search, I use specific keywords, I check out the ratings, I read the reviews, and I look through customer photos. I also like browsing the bestseller sections because that is usually where you're going to find the products that thousands of people have already purchased, and they've also reviewed them, which I think is huge. Now, let me show you exactly what I mean. Kind of follow along on screen here. So if you click the link in my description box and you download the Temu app, you can enter my code KKV9988 right here in the search bar. That is going to unlock exclusive lightning deals with savings of up to 90% off of tons of products throughout the platform. Now, one quick tip. If you are creating a new account, use a fresh email address so you can take advantage of all of the available offers. That fresh email address is going to be the key to really unlocking your savings. Now, after entering the code, you're going to see the special deal page where you can browse products, add your favorites right to your cart, and start saving right away. And here's another bonus. Now, if you're planning to place an order, you can also enter code KOY5498 in the Temu search bar. And that's going to unlock a special promotion where you may be able to claim 3 items completely free. I have all of the details linked in that description box below. And again, what I like about Temu is that there are so many useful products for the home, for organization, for decorating, for DIY, for jewelry, and everyday life. And the key is knowing how to search and knowing what to look for before you buy. Now, I've shown you how to find the deals. Let's get into the fun part because I ordered a bunch of really cool stuff that definitely caught my eye, and I'm going to show you what I picked up. And I'm going to show you actually how they work into my home because these are items that I'm actually using and that I really do think is worth your money. So let's just jump into this haul. Now, first and foremost, I did get something for my boyfriend. He is a huge old-fashioned drinker. He's a whiskey drinker. And this was something that I've seen in cocktail bars and I've seen as kind of the new rage. And instead of stirring, you will mix your cocktail, you put it on something like this, and you spin it. And what that does is it kind of creates it spins the alcohol in there. But I thought that he would really love that. So I wanted to kind of check this out. And again, everything is going to be here on screen for you. All the codes and everything throughout the haul today. So definitely check it out. Now this item here that I have to my right, or to the left, depending on how you're watching it on the camera, doesn't look like much now, but guess what this actually is? This is a really cool monitor stand. Now, I'm going to show you what it looks like here in my home office. And this is so great because what I really do like about this is that it raises up my monitor so I'm able to kind of slide my keyboard or anything like that under it. I can slide my laptop even under it. And it's also super easy to assemble. This was definitely something that is going to bring me a lot of value, and it's going to be absolutely perfect for my home office. Now, the next item that I grabbed, this is for the outdoors in the backyard. I'm in the midst of kind of refreshing my rock garden area and getting rid of some old plants and weeds and things, and I've gotten in a pretty good place where I can almost start back from scratch. And I wanted to get some really cool kind of outdoor accessories. And this is actually a bird feeder. And what's really cool about this is that it does come on the stake. So you can kind of set it up as you can see, it's kind of got this dome on the top here. It is metal. It's kind of a rusty kind of a metal, and it kind of creates a canopy for the bird seed and things that you would put in here. And it's got this little ledge where your birds can kind of hang out. How cute is this? Again, everything is right here on screen for you to check this out. I just thought this would be a fantastic addition to my garden. I'm probably going to show you what this looks like in the front yard for right now, because again, the backyard's still a work in progress. But how cute is this? Super, super fun, super, super easy to work with. And again, something that I was able to get on Temu for a great, great price. Now, again, talking about my boo and the cocktails that he likes, he does drink old fashions, and they do require, they don't require, but typically a cube of ice is the best for cocktails. And this is a silicone ice tray. It's a pack of 3. I haven't opened this yet because I'm actually going to give this to him as a gift. But what's really cool about these is you can see they're squishy. They are silicone. They've also got lids on them so you can stack them. So you can easily fill this up with water. You can make your ice cubes. And then you've always got the perfect cocktail cube for the glass. Where did I put it? For the glass. So you've got the winning kind of combo here when you are making old fashions or really any kind of cocktail. So I thought that was super cool. Now, the next item that I did grab is this beautiful blue bracelet. Now, as I said bracelet, this is actually a necklace. And again, it's that blue kind of lapis color. And if you are a fan of gemstones or anything like that, as you can see, this is an 18-inch. I did kind of put it on, there's a lot of extra here in the back, but I wanted you to kind of see what it looks like here. This is not how I'm going to wear it. But as you can see, it is perfect for anybody that is in love with gemstones or creating. Maybe that is, or no, there it goes. Okay, that's better. This is, let's see. This is a great necklace. It's super stylish. And you can, I'm not even going to try because my hands are fumbling around right now. But you get the idea here. Super, super nice and great. Let's just do this. I'm just going to do this so you can see. There's the chest. As you can see, very nice here. Love the length with this. Definitely is a keeper. This is going to be something, it just kind of adds a nice pop to your summer wardrobe and all kinds of fun things. This might be a little short for me in full transparency, so I may end up giving this to a really good friend of mine. Her name is Kim, and she loves kind of gemstones and such. So again, super fun item. As you can see, it is adjustable to some degree on the back there, and maybe I need to remeasure my neck. I think I've gotten a little chubby in the neck. Now, also speaking of gemstones, check these out. These are amethyst rock crystals. So if you are looking for some uncut stones, look at those. Look how beautiful those are. I love to put these in like bowls on my coffee table. I have a bowl of different kinds of gemstones kind of near my front door right now. And when the sunlight comes in, it kind of sparkles everything. So I'm going to add those to those. And again, everything that I'm showing you is right here on screen for you. So take advantage. Take advantage of all of these great deals. We're going to jump around a little bit because I've got all kinds of fun things. But if you've ever bought the little LED tea lights from like a local dollar store or anything like that, you know that you go through those pretty quickly. This is a rechargeable LED tea light set. So this is the set of 6. You've got a plug-in here. It plugs in with a USB, and they are 6 of them. So you've got a remote as well. You can put them in your candle holders or throughout your home. You can use the remote to turn them on. And then when they die, instead of throwing them away, all you have to do is recharge them on this great base, and you've got rechargeable tea lights that you can constantly reuse. Now, I bought the 6-pack. I believe they do come in larger quantities as well, so definitely check those out when you are shopping. You may have noticed I have a little bit of ear bling here. I have an earring down here, and then I have an ear cuff up here. This is actually a clip. Let me show you this. It just squeezes together. And what's really cool about them is that they do have a little bit of bling in there as well. So if you're wanting to kind of experiment, maybe you could do this too. No, I don't recommend that. You've got these ear cuffs that you can wear. I guess you could clip it there if you really wanted to. But super fun, right? If you wanted to have a little bit of bling going out on the town or whatever, maybe you don't have the cuff kind of up here pierced, then that is definitely a fun way to do it. Again, right here on screen for you to check those out. Now, I'd mentioned the porch and the patio and how much I love being out on the front deck. I'm going to shift my legs a little here. But this was a fun planter. Look at that. Now, what I love about it is it does have drainage holes at the bottom of it. It's also got the little drainage kind of a cup here. You certainly could just use it like that if you wanted to. I love how it's got the white base here, so it does kind of hide it. Look how cute that is when it's all together. Can you imagine like a fun succulent or a fun plant in this? And then what I did appreciate about this too is that it does come with the extra disco tiles. So if some of them happen to come off, you've got some replacements right here. How fun is this for your front porch? Like, I'm just going to put I'm going to put some kind of plant in here. I don't know what. I need to make a plant store run, but that's going to be fun out there. Can you imagine what the sunlight is going to do to that when it catches it the right way? I do have a hanging disco planter outside already, so that's just going to be a fun little, blingy kind of thing. Now, speaking of more bling, I got myself this blue ring. It's kind of like a men's signet ring. And what I love about it is just it's blue. It's not gold. It's not silver. It's not brass. It's just something that's totally different and a little unexpected. And, we all know that blue is my favorite color. You can check it out right here on screen. But super fun, right? Super, super cute. And then, of course, because I'm a creature of habit and I do love my Temu jewelry, I also got this tiger's eye kind of stone. And this is kind of a gold tone, something I could wear like when I'm dressed up, maybe for work or something, or going out on a date. Thought that this was super, super classy, very elegant looking, and just kind of love the way this stone is. Now, I wear a size 10, and I can honestly say that all of the Temu jewelry that I've purchased as far as like rings and stuff go, they are true to size. I wear a 10. This is typically my thinner finger hand, if you will. I write with this hand, so that would make sense. I guess that this one is a little more dominant. But great, right? I'm just going to keep this on. I'm going to take the tag off. We're going to keep this on. So again, both of those rings were on screen. You can check that out if you want to. This is super cute. I actually bought this for a friend of mine initially, but I think I'm going to end up keeping this myself. Now, it looks like it is a mirror. So you can see the mirror there. But it looks like a little laptop. So I'm going to cover up the mirror so I don't blind you guys. But check that out. So like it's a little laptop. Here's the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life. So it's silver, right? Kind of looks like a pretty popular brand. Look what it comes with. It comes with a little sticker to put it on the back. So it's so cute. I'm totally going to keep this. I don't know where. I don't know why I would need a mirror, but who knows? Now I'll have one and it'll have this cute little logo on it as well. I'm just going to put that over here actually. That way I don't lose that little sticker. I'm so excited about that. I'm so excited about it. Now this is not going to look very impressive right now, but when I show you what this is, you are going to freak out. Again, on screen is the code and everything. This is a fantastic coat rack. Now, I actually bought this because I have a bag problem. I have a lot of bags, and I wanted something that I could put in the corner of the guest room, which I hope will be a closet one day. And I can have this to put bags on kind of at the end of the day or in between day. I do switch my bags out pretty regularly. And as you can see, it's got a good height to it. You do need to balance it out a little bit, but such a fun thing, and it's so convenient. Why would you not want something like this? Again, it's going to come with all the parts and everything that you need to assemble this, and it's so fun, so easy, super, super stylish, and why would you not have it? Now, speaking of stylish, I've got 3 more things total, but this next item, oh my gosh, I fell in love with this. Look at this magazine holder. This is so good. Now, I don't have any magazines right here with me, but I do have some books. And let me just grab a couple books here. So imagine this sitting like next to your chair, and then you've got your books that you want to put in there. There's an old real estate book that I'm not doing real estate anymore. And then you've got, yes, I know I worked really hard for my real estate license, but I just ended up not liking it. But check that out. I mean, and those are pretty thick books. So you can imagine with magazines in here, this is going to be great. It's a perfect size because I don't like a lot of magazines. I don't want a whole bunch of magazines because they just tend to kind of collect clutter and stuff. So that's a perfect size for me. If you have a lot of magazines, you may not like that, totally, full transparency, but that was definitely something that I love. Now, if we're also talking about books, look at this incredible book holder. Now, this ball, this is very mid-century, y'all. This just gives me good vibes. So what you do is we're going to make sure that ball doesn't fall off of there. You put your books in here, and your books, depending on the size, you can put them like this way. You can put them, I'm trying to do this and not lose everything. But then your books, and so it sits kind of like this. I'm going to show you what this looks like live, like in my living room. But as you can see, it's kind of tilted to one angle. And so it looks like the ball is what's actually holding the books. But in actuality, it's because it's kind of tilted this way. This is actually very solid. This is a good heavy weight. Now the ball is very lightweight. This is not holding the books by any means. But how fun is that? Because obviously you could put, depending on books, you could probably go like right to the edge there. I fell in love, like hardcore in love with this thing when I saw it. And again, everything's here on screen for you. Take full advantage of all of the deals. This was also a deal. My gosh, I messed up my vacuum cleaner and I really needed a new vacuum cleaner. And they had a full upright vacuum cleaner on Temu that I was able to get. Now this vacuum, I'm going to show you this in real time when I'm using it. It was super easy to assemble, first of all. It's got all kinds of power to it. What I love about this is that it's simple, it's easy to use, it was super easy to assemble, and honestly, for what I need, the majority of my house is hardwood floors, and then I have carpet and area rugs and stuff. That is where I really needed to be able to have just something real quick that I could have in a pinch. It fits in my closet perfectly. It's so convenient, and it's a Backmaster, which I did do some research again on Temu, and the reviews of this are really, really good. So definitely look into this. Now, this is everything of my Temu haul. Again, so many great deals, so many great ways to check this out. There are coupon codes here on screen for you. Definitely look at those coupon codes. Look into some of this fun stuff that I got here, and have a fantastic summer. This is summertime, and we've got some fun home decor. I've got some great stuff coming up for July that I'm super excited about. Again, so many great deals right here on Temu, so definitely check that link in the description box. All right, guys, until next time, take care. Bye-bye.